Hey everyone! In today's video, let's learn about the filter function in Python. The filter function will filter an iterable based on a given function. By iterables, you can think of dictionaries, lists, and tuples. Let's see a code example so you can understand how it works. So I will create this function, filter greater than 5, that will receive a number as argument and return true only if the number is greater than 5. Okay, very simple function. Now let's create this list of numbers. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 18, 32, right? So now we are going to apply the filter function using these two, this list and the function we defined here. So let's create another variable, filtered list. Then we are going to use the filter function. And the first argument is the function we are going to use, in this case, filter greater than 5. And the second argument is the iterable. So let's use here, filter greater than 5, and then numbers. Okay, so let's print the result here, filter list, right? So the filter function is applying the filter greater than 5 function to the numbers list. So let's see what will happen here. Okay, notice how the filter function returns a filter object, not the result itself. So you have to convert the filter object to a list or a tuple, for instance, to print the results. So we have to do something like this. List, filter list, right? And then now we have it. So the only numbers in this list that are greater than 5 are 10, 18, and 32. So filter is filtering this list of numbers based on the function we are applying. In this case, the condition is the number has to be greater than 5, as we created here, right? So I hope this is useful. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.